Let's talk and learn about encapsulation in Java. Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to the Mentor Code Lab. Encapsulation is a very powerful fundamental knowledge that you should use all the time in your program. Basically, the meaning of encapsulation is to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from users of your program or other classes. Basically, you are hiding some information from other parts of your program and make sure that they are still accessible but with control. To do that, you need to specifically assign private keyword to that value. If you don't type the private, normally in Java, attributes are public. In C Sharp, the default is private. In Java, it's reverse. So the default is public. Basically, all of these are public. So as you saw in previous videos, I could directly access the age from main. Right now, you see that I can access health from here, and I can, instead of calling heal, I could say that, hey, human Joe dot health plus equals to 10. This is a bad practice. This is the good practice. We don't want sensitive data like health, like age, like strength being accessible outside of the class. To do this, we have to make things private manually. That's the first step. And now you have error here because, well, health is not accessible to other parts of your program. The only thing that has access to health is the human class itself. Now let's drop this heal method here or damage. When you are making parameters encapsulated, after making them private, you need to have two methods or at least one method. You need to have a method to get access to that value and read the value. For health, let's go after constructors and let's put a block of comment here, call it ctor. By the way, ctor is the keyword in C# for constructors. Here we can say public int get health. This will return health. And now instead of reading the health, we can say get health. However, notice that we don't have a set value for health. We can read it, we can tweak or write it. Finally, we can say public void set health with an integer amount, or let's say health. And here we say this dot health equals the parameter health we sent in. Now we can fix this part and we say set health to, now we don't want to set the health to 5. We want to get the health of Alice, add 5 to it, and then return the whole result to this set health method. And finally, if I get this part here and read Alice, we should finally get 105 because we assigned the default to be 100. We are adding 5 and we are setting it, and finally we are getting it. Let's take a look. Yes, we got 105. Now that we had covered health, we have to do the same process for age and strength. So we say public int get age and return age. Do we want to let other parts of the program tweak the age of a player? Maybe we shouldn't. This is the power behind encapsulation. Basically, by having a get method, we are letting others see the age of this human instance, but we are not letting them to tweak it. If we want to tweak this age value for any instance, we should do it inside the human class itself with the game logic, program logic, or whatever we have to work with. The last one, get a strength, it returns strength. However, for strength, normally we may want to let others tweak it. So set strength with int strength, and we say this dot strength equals the parameter strength. Same thing as health. Sometimes this can change names. So for example, we can say health, and here we can say heal. And this time we can say heal But notice this part. I will send in 5, and here we are calling health. But notice the parenthesis here indicates that we are reading the method and not the parameter, because parameters don't have parentheses. Now inside the heal, we say this dot heal plus equals to health. So we say that, hey, whatever value you are getting, add it to the current one, making our life easier to handle that internal parameter. Again, we encapsulated the health value. However, we didn't use the get and set names for the methods. Still the same concept. We are getting the health, we are setting the health inside human class, and we are not letting this method being accessible outside of humans. So this is encapsulation. So as you see, the concept behind encapsulation is really powerful and important because it takes the logic of handling attributes covered by the class type itself. And when you talk with people here and there and they say that, hey, it's a good practice to use encapsulation, make sure this or that is encapsulated, they are meaning that you should make that thing private and handle the getting and setting the values directly inside the class itself.
If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell so that when I publish a new video, you will get informed. Have fun, everyone. Bye.